Welcome. Day 238, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna make a handler function. Let's get this lesson done. Users of a server package to define their logic for handling requests. We use a handler error. Oh. Alright, let's do this. Server. So we need to do handler and reason phrase. Okay. Server.serve here as an argument. Okay. Server.serve. I'm just curious on how Go does the like pass in the. Okay, that makes more sense. Create a handle. Okay, so to accept the handle as an argument. So I think putting it here would be nice. So we can put handle type handler. Yeah. Create a logic that writes handle error to a writes handle error. That would make it easy for us to keep our error handling consistent and dry. Okay, so if error does not equal nil, that's fine. Okay. Let's do that. Func handle error. IO dot. Well, I need access to hand. I guess handle. So it was gonna write. So for every of type error. I guess you could just do this instead. We'll say type S. So first, status code. So digit. So status code. Reason for error. It will say S. And we'll say H dot status code and H dot message, and then we'll do this format, and we'll write. I'll say string. I like the string, but I don't know if. Okay, I'll do try the byte too. Byte format. You know. Parse the request from the connection. Create a new empty bytes dot buffer too. Let me update that too. Bytes dot buffer. Oh shoot. Parse the request from the connection. Create a new empty bytes dot. The thing is, I actually don't use handler. So parse the request from the connection. Yes. So update the handle method to parse the request from the connection. Okay, create a new bytes buffer for the handler to write to. Bytes buffer. call the handler function? How do we call the handler function? Ba la 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 la, ba la ba la la. We'll do handle error here or right there. Connection. Start, yeah. Oh. Should be a part of. Yeah, it should be a part of that. Ah, that's the problem. I can't use it. Then we need to create a handle error, which is you can just create no error, which takes in two things, which is status code request dot response dot bad request, I guess. Wow, that was some fucking crazy. Hold on, I have stuff here. Response here. That's some crazy autocomplete. This is not a integer. You know, I'll put this as response dot status code, so it doesn't cry. And then need one more thing. Reason phrase. We'll do status code dot response dot reason phrase, and then we'll also have response dot reason phrase here. Makes it easier. Okay, not this is a message, right? Oh, that's okay. That's the type. What's the reason phrase? Bad request. Yeah. Isn't there another one? Reason. Bad. Request. Is it like this? This? No, come on, give me the damn thing. Reason. Bad. Bro, what is happening? Reason. It's this, yank. Why are they crying about this? Undefined? How does that make sense? Alright, bro. Response.go. Why is this crying? What the hell? H dot handle error. Why can't I do that? Isn't this not the type of that? And then I put something that is an actual type of that. Why does this work and this doesn't work? What? Oh my god, is that really it? How is this undefined? Oh my god, why is Go being weird? Oh, it's type reason phrase. Hold on. What? I literally fucking put that. What the hell? Reason phrase. Why is it still erroring? Wait, this is right. I spelled this shit right. Message. Message. Okay, let me just do this. Request.go. I mean, server.go. Okay, bro. What is happening? I don't know why this is still being weird. Okay, we handled error now. We have to do something else. So, I guess do var body byte stop buffer. Update the server to accept handler as an argument. Update the handle to parse request. Create a new dat to write to. Call the handler function. If the handler errors, write the error to connection. Okay, so let's do this. So s dot handler. Is it capital? No, can't. S dot handler. Write the status line, write the headers, write the response from the handle buffer. Well, I guess if this errors, if error does not equal nil, because this could return an error, right? Right? Yes, it can. S dot Wait, I just realized, did I implement this wrong? Okay, never mind. We'll create a new one, I guess. Handle error status code response dot internal server error, and message is response dot uh, uh, reason internal. Because those are not exported. That's why. Fuck. Okay, that's why. That's why. I can't use these because these are not exported, but I should actually use them because they're actually pretty useful. So let's do that. This. No, this is broken. Nope. Okay. That's why I couldn't freaking use it. And then, hold on, this. There you go. Probably the body or the connection. We should probably get to delete this. Internal server error. I don't know why this is crying. H dot error. Alright, I think I have a good point. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it today. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.